Hi, good morning students. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to solve the last task which is databases. Okay, so for October, November 2025 paper. So now let us start our new task which is databases. And here we go. This is the task number 3. All right. So you are now going to prepare some reports. Make sure all required data is fully visible. Use databases software to import N2502 res.csv as a new table. Use these fields, name, and data types. So here we go. Now we are going to import our first file. You need to open a Microsoft Access. And student, as I told you in my previous video too, please close the dummy table. You don't have to keep the dummy table. All right. So now go to external data from file, source, text file, browse, go to desktop, and where is your paper? It is here. Okay. All right. So now what was our first file name? File name is race. We need to import the race and open. Okay. And yes, as I told you, the student, those who are doing the zone 4 exam, please keep the date format to DMY. All right. So now let's go to the next task. Is there any Boolean value? No, there is no Boolean value, yes or no, and there is no contact number. If you find a contact number or telephone number or mobile number, please make it as a short text. It is important, student, while importing only you have to do few changes like that. Now let's go to next. Okay, next and next and choose our primary key. So we will see what is the primary key they gave us. Entry number as a primary key. All right. So now what I'm going to do is my entry number is my primary key. Next and then finish. All right. And then close. So now here we successfully import our first table. Right click immediately and go to design view and cross check. Okay, so here what they are asking text, 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 total 4 text. So short text, short text, short text, done. Next we have entry number, 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 number. So you need to keep it as a number, number, number. All right, that is also fine. Now next is the date and time, date and time. It should be hour, minutes, and seconds. We need to change the format to hour, minutes, and second. So date and time. Now here we go from the format we are going to change the format to medium. Yeah, here long time, hour, minutes, and seconds. And here also we need to keep it as hour, minute, and seconds. So it's a long time. All right. So now done. Next, what is next? P pace kilometer per hour. So they gave us pace kilometer per hour is also a number. So here it is already a number. We don't have to change anything. So here, student, I would like you to take the screenshot on any part, but especially wherever you made a change, it is better to take a screenshot of that particular field. So here with the record time, we make it as a long time. So we can take a screenshot here. All right. So now once you change, keep safe and then close. So this is done. Now next, what we have, change the data type of pace per kilometer as a time with the hour, minutes, and per second. So which we already done. Okay, it's a long hour, minutes, and per second. Yeah, it's a long time format we put it. Okay, so now import the field uh, the file. Okay, let me just before we go ahead, let's make the cross check. The pace per kilometer is in hour, minutes, and seconds. Did we get it by default or not? Okay, hour, minutes, and second. Perfectly fine. Yeah, here we can see hour, minutes, and second. Yes, this is good. Next, set the club code as a primary key. Okay, import another table which is N2502 club.csv. All right, so now we will go to right click close, create external data from file, text file, and then browse. And the next table is it a club? Yep, it is a club. So now club, open, okay. All right, next. All right, first row contain field name here. Student, I would like you to cross check. Do you have any Boolean value, which is 0 and -1? So we don't have 0 and -1. Click on first row contain the field names. Next. Okay, go to advanced. Make sure you have a DMY format date. All right, press OK, and then next, and choose my own primary key. And let us see the question paper whether they give is the question primary key. Yeah, it's a club code is a primary key. So let me choose the club code as a primary key. Next, and then finish. All right, so now then close it. Yeah, we're done with the race one also. Right click design view, oh sorry, right click design view here. Check the club one. Yeah, perfectly fine. Now let's go to the next question. Place in your evidence document, take a screen showing the field name and the data type as well as the primary key. Student, you need to take a screenshot like this, okay, and the all data type and showing as a club code as a primary key. All right, so now let's go to the next question. Import the file N25028.csv as a new table in your databases. So, student, in this paper, 2025 paper, October, November paper, you are going to import total three files. Interesting. Okay, so now we are going to import another file. Okay, we will go to do that. We will go to external data from file, text file, and browse. And here we go. Last but not the least one is age. So here we are going to import the age group. Okay, open and then okay, and then we will go delimited. All right, first row contain field name. Next, okay, advanced, and as I told you, always keep DMY format and cross check. Do you have any Boolean data? No, no Boolean data. Then next, choose my own primary key and check your question paper. Group code is the primary key. All right, so now here we go, group code. Next, uh, finish, and then close. So here we go. We just successfully able to import all the three table. Right click save, right click close. Okay, right click save and right click close, and this also save and close. All right, so all the three tables are perfectly fine. Take a screenshot showing the field name and the data type of the last one. So age one, so right click design view, take a screenshot and check you got the data or not. Perfectly fine, and close all. Next, now let's go to the next question. Create a one-to-many relationship between club code to club number. So now we will go to and databases tool, relationships. Student, I will recommend you to select all the table with the help of holding a control button and select all these three and add it together. Okay, so now we will go to the club code. So we will go here in order. Yes, perfect. So now what is the first ID here? Club table and race table. Club code to club number. Club and race. Okay, club code to club number. Create one-to-many relationship, press OK. Next, group code and age category race table. So group table and race table, one more relationship. Okay, group code to, one second, we need to check group code to, yeah, the group code to age category. All right, so now we have here, so group code to age category, it is here and created. So now here we go. Student, in this way you can show your relationship between the table and just click on edit relationship, okay, or simply select this, right click on edit relationship and keep it here, and select this or just bring it down and take the screenshot. Yeah, perfectly, you can take the screenshot and paste in your evidence file. Okay, so press OK and right click save, right click close. All right, so now this is done. Now let's go to the next question. In race table, use an automated search function to locate, okay, to locate the 1497 record. Okay, so automated search function is the control F. You can use a shortcut command. So this is also very much fine. So where is it? Here we go. In which table? In the race table, right? Yep. So the race table. So I will go to the race table and control F. Okay, so here is the automated option. Entry number is 1497. So let me type here. Entry number is 1414. It is 98. I'm sorry, 1498. 1498. And then next. So here we go. So you need to 1 second. So where is the entry number? This is the entry number. Okay, control F. 1498. Yeah. So here the automated thing, it will directly take you. If you wanted to take, if they're asking you to take a screenshot, please take it. So here we see, yeah, they're asking here to take a pre screenshot. All right. So now this is here. So take a screenshot, and then what kind of changes they are asking us to do. The year of birth, they are saying the year of birth should be changed. Age category should be changed to FSE 39. So age category, yeah, here. This you need to change it to Control V. FSE 39. Okay, next. It is 1992. So they are saying 1992 year. So we will change the year to, okay, 1992. Control V. All right. So now next category is age is 33. Where is age? Age is here. Instead of 22, it is 33. All right. So now the last but not the least is the 137. 137. So here it is the gender results. Yep. Yeah, gender results is 137. 137. Now here, so 137. All right. And then, what they're asking us to do here. Now they're asking check your data entry error and save the data. So we need to check whether we are getting any data entry error or not. And then right click save. So here we are not able to get any data entry error. So which means the data entry is correct. All right. So next. Now right click save, right click close. So now let's go to the next question. What they are asking us to do here, use the field from the race club table, produce a tabular report. Now here they're asking you to first report, which will give you total 7 marks. Okay, student, I hope you remember in my previous video also I told you whenever you do the record, you need to start with show only the fields. Okay, all right. So to create a report, it is better to create a query first. So click on query wizard, simple query. All right. So now here we go. The first option is last name and first name and age. Okay. So last name, first name, and then age. All right. So you need to go in order to avoid any technical error. And pace kilometer and club name. So pace kilometer, and then we have a club name. Do we have club name here? Yeah, club name or club number? Yeah, club name. Sorry. So we will go to the club table and take the club name. Next, and area, and the last but not the least is the area. But student, you need to play smartly here. You need to check in the criteria also if they are asking something else. Area and age, is it included? Yes, it is included. So please cross check, because sometimes they will ask you to create show only the fields, and then later on they will ask you to add on the extra fields. To avoid such errors, it is better to cross check the criteria, attributes also, fields also. All right. So now let's go to next. Okay, next, and modify the query design. and name it as, with what is the question number 21. So just name this query as a Q21 and then finish. All right. So now let me show you what are the criterias. Area include the text called SCOT, Scott. Okay. So now area include the text called Scott. So star SCOT star. Okay. This is the function star, the word and the star. So run it. So now here you can able to see, student, this is the one more technique I'm showing you. Okay, so to organize your data, click on a corner and double click it. You will get an perfect value here. Yeah. So now, if you can see here, the area includes Scott. So everywhere, like the Scotland, Scottish, and all. So this is total 133 records. All right. So now, next criteria. First criteria is done. Second is age 30 or less. Age is 30 or less. So again, I will right click and go to design view of my query. So I will go to age. It should be 30 or less. So less than or equal to 30. Age less than or equal to 30 and run. So here we go. So total 16 records, students. See here, you can able to generate, sorry, it is total 34 records. You got it. Okay. So now organize your query again one more time, as I told you. Now see, if you look at the age, all are 30 and below only, equal to 30 or less than 30. Okay. All right. So now we're done. So right click save, right click close. Now, so let us convert this into report. So we will go to again create. Students recommending you to use an option report wizard. And here, instead of putting this all stuff, you need to select the query which you created just now, Q21, and put all the values, and then go to next and next. Did they ask us to group the data? Now read the question carefully. Do not group the data here. They said, so we don't have to group the data here. So click on next. And what is ascending order here? The sort the data ascending order of area and descending order of age. So here I would like you to choose the area is an ascending order and age is a descending order. So now here we go. Okay, age as in descending order. So ascending and descending both the done. Next, so is it a portrait or a landscape? So let me check the question paper here. So the orientation is portrait and must and should fit in a single page. Student, many of you will do the mistake in this particular point. So I would recommend you to make sure this check the box, okay, so that it will make sure that your page is fit in the data is in a fit in a one page. Then go to next, modify the report. Do we have any name to this report? So let me check here in the question paper. Do we have? Yes, we have. The name is Young Scottish Phoenicia. Okay, so this is the name. So I'm going to type it here. Next, you should also have to keep your name, center number, candidate number. Okay, so now finish. All right. So finally, yep, we can see our the report format is here. I don't need this, so I'm just deleting the now option. We don't need it, so I will click here. So and then click on delete. Okay. So hold on. So you need to select, don't select the data, but you need to, yeah, let me remove this and then we need to select the box and delete it, and you here also need to select the box and delete it. Okay, go to this label A and A, capital A and small a. Okay, put it your name. Okay, so name is ABC, center number is IN123, candidate number is 1234. All right, student, many of you are commenting me and asking me, sir, your center number is 123. No, it is just an example I'm showing you. Your center number, you need to type your center number and your candidate number. All right, so this is how it is. So finally done. Let me see the view. Perfect. Okay, so here the hashtag. So there is one more technique I would like to show you. Please fix it from the layout view. Okay, so now click on the layout view and select the data, and you can just keep slowly, you can keep moving like this, the data also, and arrange your file. Perfect. So now here I don't think I have any issue. Yes, so now my club name is also properly fit. So now this is how it is, and just press Control P and go to preview mode and take the print of your report with your name, center number, and candidate number. All right. So now we're done with our first report. Right click Save and right click Close. All right. So now let's go to the next report. Okay, so what they are asking here, using the field from three table. Again, they are asking us to use the three tables and produce another report. Student, I hope you are smart. You understood where we need to start first. We need to start with show only the fields. All right. So now let's go to our create query wizard. Okay, and simple query. Okay, and then uh, simple query. Let me go to the question paper and check the order. First, they are asking us to put the first name, last name, okay, and first name, last name, and age category. So I will go to race table, first name, last name, okay, and then age category. So do we have age category here? Yeah, here it is. Next. Okay, what is next? Age category, year of birth, age, and club name. Year of birth, age, and then the club number or a name. Club name, sorry. So we need to select the club table again, club name. Student, I'm selecting only the data from the tables, not from the previous query. Please be careful while doing this type of questions. Next, race time. Okay, the last one is the race time. And from the race table, I'm going to select the race time. All right, next. Okay, what is next now? They're asking me to create a age graded and gender results too. So age graded, I don't have because they're asking us to create age as age graded as a new field, and we will create it. But after that, we have a gender result. So let me select the gender result. Okay, all right. And then next. And I hope this is my question number 22. Yes, this is the question number 22. So here you need to just type Q22. Okay, Q22 and then finish. All right. So here we go. So we have a very good query design which is ready now. Okay, so now how to do the new, how to create a new field. Here they gave us a new field called, okay, age category or age grade. I'm sorry, age grade. So let's do it. So now to do this, we will go here. Okay, so now student, I would like you to choose the last option of your, the last column of your query. And now let us do this. Okay, so now they ask us to do this. So let me type here AGEH underscore GRADED graded. Okay, GRADED age graded. Immediately you need to put a colon. Okay, so let me move a little bit so that you guys can easily able to see. Yeah, here. Immediately you need to put a colon and open the parenthesis, which is a square bracket, and type here record time, RECORD, record, okay, underscore time, okay, and then the close the parenthesis. Now, next what they ask. So, age graded will be calculated with the record time and divided by race time. Okay, all right. Record time divided by, open the parentheses, RACE, race, again, R is capital, RACE, race, underscore, T, T is capital, no, TIME, time. Okay, close the parenthesis. So now race time record time divided by race time, and just check it and let me run it whether it is working or not. So perfect. So this is working here. Let me organize my data. Yeah, this is how it is. It is working. We got it. Now let's go to right click and design view. Now let us put the criteria step by step. Okay. So now the first criteria in the question paper gave the age category is FSE 29 to FSE 39 in the age category. So where is age category and the criteria? Now I'm going to type it FSE to this. Okay, run. Let's run it. Yep. So now here you can see all the categories which is in between. Okay, FSE 29 or FSE 39. Perfect. So this is also good. So now go to design view again. And what is the last one? Last criteria. The last criteria here, the tricky question they gave. So here they ask us to not to include what? Not to include. One second, let me highlight so that you can able to see it. Yeah. So what they said here, this should not include the term called independent. Okay, so now I'm going to copy this independent. Okay, Control C. Now does not include, so it should not include. So what is the name here? Club name does not include independent. So how to do this? So I can do something like, two process are there. You can use two the different commands to get this. So where is it? Mm, what was the name? Club name. Okay, club name. Where is it? Club name. Okay. So I will do one thing, not not. Okay, and then uh, not like like. Okay, star. Okay, star independent. INDEPENDENT star. Okay, so what I'm doing here, I'm just increasing so that you guys can able to see it. Not like independent. Okay, I put a not function here. Okay, and let me run this. So here you can see we got it. Okay, in the club name, you won't find, in the one second, right click design view. So here in the club name, yep, in the club name, you don't find anything, something like as an independent here. So which means the total records are 43, which means your answer is 43. Right click save, right click close. Now, is there anything else we need to do here? No. So once we're done with this, okay, the sorting and all, as I told you, we will do it in the report. Click on create report wizard. Okay, now student, here I would like you to be careful because you need to arrange your report in order. So first is first name, last name, age, year of birth, and club name. Okay, now race time, then age graded, and the last one is the gender grade. Next, okay, no, do we need to group this data again? No, 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 no. So they are not asking, do not group the data. So we'll go here and then next. Okay, what is ascending order here? So sort the descending order of gender results. So gender results should be in descending order. So I'm going to select the gender result and click on descending order. Next, is it a tabular or a columnar form? Report. It's a by default. Okay, tabular one. So now fit in a single page. Orientation should be landscape. So let me do this. So this too. Okay. All right. So this should be landscape. Fit in a one page. Next, and having a title. What is the title name here? So the title is. Let me delete this so that I can easily able to copy this. Okay, so now the title is Senior Female Club Competitors. So right click and paste it here and then finish. Perfectly. So now we got Our second report, your name, center number, candidate number on the footer. So this time they are asking us to put in footer in the same page on every page. Okay, all right. So now, so let me go to my report once. Yes, this looks so good. So layout view, student, I hope you remember I told you you can reduce the size and you can slowly move this. This also you can reduce the size, slowly move this and try to adjust because student, this is very important and this is something which will, it's a time consuming job for your examination. So you need to be so vigilant and you need to properly manage your time. Okay, so you need to do this all tasks on time if you really wanted to get the full marks. All right, so now here I have, so now I'm done with this general result. Next, I can bring it this here a little bit, not because the data should not be overlapped. And then I have this, so I can bring it here. So this is again, in this way, this is so easy to arrange your data. You can select both the thing by holding control button also. So this will save your time. These are all the techniques I'm teaching you so that you can save your more time and finish your task in time. Okay, so now I have what next I have here. So yes, the race time also I got it. Yeah, here also we got it. So now, don't you think they asked us to change the format in the question paper? No, here they did not mention anything, so it should not be in two decimal place at all. So we need to keep as it is, don't change anything. What they ask you to do, do that only. So now you got total 26 marks for this. I hope you understood this task too. Right click save, right click close. So dear students, if you really wanted to learn some more papers, okay, please like my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.